Hey, Zach Johnson here, and thank you so much for joining me in this 30-day blog training series. And over the course of the next 30 days, I'm going to help you create a website or a blog that can potentially change your life for the better. So why do you need to start a website or blog today? Well, that's what this quick intro video is all about. I'm going to show you how a blog has completely changed my life for the better and how I've actually built an internet business in the process. Now, one of the most important things I want to talk about is that it's so ridiculously easy to start a blog, but it's not easy to actually create a blog or a website that's going to make money or stand out from the crowd. That is, unless you know what to do. And that's what this video training is all about. Now, there's over 300 million blogs in the world today and over 1 billion sites in the world total. And if you were to start a site today, you would probably get lost in the mix. But the good news is, my video training covers everything you need to do to start a successful site, create content that goes well with your audience, and you can even make money in the process. Before jumping into the first video in our series, let me first quickly tell you about myself and why I'm worth your time. So I first started making money online back in 1995 when I was just a kid in high school, and it was mainly through the concept of affiliate marketing, which meant people would come to my website and I would recommend them to other websites, and if they bought something or completed a task, I would then get paid for that action. And this is actually where it all started. Today, I still run my business out of my house, but you can literally run an internet business or a blogging empire from anywhere. And here's one of my first checks from back in 1998 for just $10.45. So don't go into this expecting to make $1 million overnight. And here you can see how it progressed over time. I was making $24 here and there, then $88, $40 here and there. It's all about making a little bit of money over time and scaling out as you grow. And guess what? I'm now making millions of dollars online, and here you can see in 1 month, one of my sites generated over $306,000 in just 1 month. And in a 4-month span, it went on to generate over $800,000 in profit. Now, this is quite a huge jump from that previous check I showed you, but you have to understand everything is scalable on the internet, and in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build a website and a blog that could potentially earn you a decent amount of money online. And at the same time, you can even start your first website just as a hobby or just to build your first site and learn how things work. So in 2007, I launched my first blog at zachjohnson.com, and I wanted to make it a resource to teach others how to make money online. And that's exactly what the site did. It helped my readers earn millions of dollars in the process while growing my brand and business as well. Then in 2014, I launched a new blogging resource site at blogging.org, which is where you are at today. And this walks people through the process of how to start their very own website or blog in just less than 10 minutes. However, blogging isn't just about making money, it's about opportunities as well. Here I am speaking at different conferences and meeting with celebrities and entertainers from around the world, all because of my blog. My blog is on the internet, it's known as an authority source, and it's helped me accomplish a lot of what I've done today. And here I am speaking at Blog World in Las Vegas with some of the top bloggers in the world today. I was even featured on Fox News and the O'Reilly Factor as a blogging expert. I even had the privilege of being featured in a film documentary titled Living.com, which premiered in Hollywood, California, where I got to walk the red carpet. Again, all because of my blog and putting myself out there. And I recently launched my own podcast called Rise of the Entrepreneur, where I get to interview other entrepreneurs and bloggers and experts from around the world on how they've become successful. It was even recently featured in Forbes magazine. And once again, this was all accomplished through my own efforts and working right out of my home. Through blogging and the power of internet marketing, you can see these same results, and that's even more true than ever because I've broken down all these videos just for you, and that's exactly what you're going to get over the next 30 days.